Hi there, and welcome to another MarkSharks study session episode. Imagine being able to see through walls like Superman, spotting hidden treasures or secrets without lifting a finger. While we may not have Superman's superpowers, we do have something pretty close: X-rays. These amazing rays allow us to see inside other things, making them essential in medicine, security, and many other fields. Join us as MarkSharks takes a deep dive into X-rays, uncovering this superpower. What are X-rays? X-rays are a type of electromagnetic radiation, similar to visible light but with much higher energy. This higher energy gives X-rays the ability to penetrate various materials. When X-rays pass through our bodies, they interact differently with different tissues. Dense materials like bones absorb more X-rays and appear white on X-ray films, while softer tissues like muscles and organs lets X-rays pass through and show up as a darker shade. This is how doctors can see a broken bone or identify other health issues without needing to do surgery. How do X-rays work? When we take an X-ray, a special machine generates these rays and directs them at an area of interest. The rays travel through the body and hit a detector or film on the other side. The result is an image that reveals what's going on inside. This process is quick and painless, making X-rays a vital tool in modern medicine. Natural X-rays in our environment. Believe it or not, X-rays are all around us. We are exposed to low levels of natural X-rays from cosmic rays in outer space and even from certain rocks and minerals in the ground. These natural sources contribute to the background radiation we encounter daily. It's like a superpower we didn't even know we had. Everyday uses of X-rays. X-rays play a crucial role in our daily lives beyond just medicine. One of the most familiar applications is in airport security. When you see bags going through the scanner, X-rays are used to look inside without opening them. This helps keep everyone safe by ensuring no dangerous items make it onto an airplane. In addition to security, industries use X-rays to inspect materials and structures. Engineers employ X-ray technology to check for flaws in welds and other components, ensuring that buildings and bridges are safe and sound. So while we may not be able to fly or have X-ray vision like Superman, we do have the incredible technology of X-rays that allows us to see the unseen. From helping doctors diagnose illnesses to keeping us safe in airports, X-rays are a powerful tool in our everyday lives. Next time you hear about X-rays, remember the superhero science behind them and the amazing ways they help us understand our world. If you enjoyed this content, give this video a like so it can reach other viewers like yourselves, and let us know in the comment section below what cool concept you would like to know in our fun MarkSharks way. Follow MarkSharks on our YouTube channel, Facebook, and Instagram so you can stay connected and watch our next MarkSharks study session. To download and try MarkSharks for free, click the link in the description below. See you next time. MarkSharks. It's not about studying, it's about learning by doing.